Hey guys, Daniel here from Florian Pros Marketing, and today I wanted to go over how to edit your Google Business Profile or your GMB now that Google has removed the back end of Google Business Profile. So in the past, we were able to go to google.com/business and sign in. And in the past, we were able to edit everything from the back end. Guess what? We can no longer do that now. So Google is forcing us to edit everything from the front end of Google because Google loves to change things up on us and they love to play tricks and all that kind of stuff. And just when we learned the other back end, they're changing it to this new thing now. So let's show you how to go about editing your profile here when you're on this and what you need to know about this kind of layout now. All right, so basically everything is here. You have your edit your profile. You're going to click on that button. Here, you're going to have your about business. So you're going to have your business name. You're going to have your business categories, your descriptions, opening dates, phone numbers, websites, and then you can also create a Google website as well. The location where you are, your service area, business hours, etc. Holiday hours and all that stuff that we used to be able to do before. If there's any, from the business, no, it's not women led. Nothing wrong with that, but it's not. So you have all that stuff here in this window here. So this is how you're going to edit your business information here in this one. If you click on, no, you don't need anything there. Let's go back. If you want to edit your services. So we like to add all of our services for our flooring clients, and I'll show you one in a second. So this is where you would edit the services. So you can add more services. You would add to each category that you want, and you can add something about here. We are at custom service. We could just say digital marketing agency for flooring companies in North America, specializing in website SEO, Google Ads, Google and Facebook ads, and feed Google and Facebook ads. We only have 120 characters, so I'm going to save that there. That's where you would do this. And if you are needing to add an agency to your or someone to your profile, you would just go to business profile settings here. And in business profile settings, you have managers, so you could add there. So I could add people here. And then you would have advanced settings. You could see your profile ID and things like that. Not that you need it or anything, but this is how you would do it there. Linked accounts, so this would be if you want to link your account to Google Ads or something like that. I don't know why that didn't work, but there we go. That is how we are editing our accounts and ads, or sorry, our Google Business Profile these days. I think if you go down here, you can add an update, so you can add a GMB post or a Google Business Profile post. You can ask for reviews. This will give you a link that you can send to people to ask for reviews, so that's a really handy thing to have. Booking, you can have a booking link that you can have. Calls, you can set up call tracking. So if you have call history, you'd set that up. Booking, again, if you have a booking link, you can add your booking link there. And this is how you're editing the profile now. So, and of course, there's photos. You have photos here, so you'd add photos. So photo, logo, cover photo. And then if you go to photos, it will probably ask for your photo category. So let's just I'll just add one as just an example. So let's say I'm adding this. Okay, it's uploaded, great. And you can add more photos and you can drag and drop them there. So in the past, we were supposed to be adding them by type of photo, so front of business, team, all that kind of stuff. But right now we are not doing that. So it looks like you're just adding photos to it. So this is something completely new that Google just released recently, which kind of sucks that we have to do this, but this is how it is. And let me show you some examples of some flooring companies that we have ran, managed their profiles in the last little while, and the performance and results we're going to get. So that was one thing I didn't go over is performance. If you click on performance, you're actually going to see how your profile is doing. So this is saying in the last, since June to November, let's say September, October, we're going to do that. It's going to tell us how many interactions we got. So we got 625 interactions. We got 7,800 people who saw it, 60% more. We got an 85% increase in searches, and this is the searches that people are searching for. So their brand, and then flooring store near me, carpet installer near me, and things like that. You can also see the calls here. You can track phone calls, when they came in, how many came in over that period. So you can see here we've got 174 phone calls that went through in the last month or two, and you can see that improvement. So that's how you're going to see performance. Is you're either just going to click on performance, or you're going to click on this here, and it will show you the views that you got to your business. So this is from June to November. Let's see here how many views. We've got 21,000 people viewed the business profile, 5,000 people saw it, and these are the keywords that they saw it for. So Google is definitely switching things up on us. No longer do we have the classic Google My Business or Google Business Profile backend, but now we do have the front end, which basically gives us all we need, but it's just a new design, so we got to get used to that. All right, take care, and if you have any questions or would like me to take a look at your Google Business Profile or help you optimize it, feel free to reach out at flooringprosmarketing.com /strategy-call, or just go to flooringprosmarketing.com. My name is Daniel, and it's been a pleasure to shoot this video for you. Take care.